Right. What I'm going to show you now is how to fit a piece of door frame trim, I forget the name, architrave, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to cut it so it's pretty much absolutely perfect, so it fits without a gap like this side. So what you want is you want to get yourself one of these. I'll put the name in the comments. They're about £6 off Amazon, not expensive. You want to squeeze it together. You want to hit once it's together. It's already at 0, but if not, then you just click the 0 and it will 0 it. We're going to take that and we're going to pop it along here and get that straight to where it needs to be. So we've got the angle going up along there, and we've got the straight coming down. I want to get it absolutely spot on. It's a bit stiff. Right, so that's giving us 134.8, which you can see there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of wood to the saw. If you can see, what I've done is I've put the one flat edge against there, the other is here, and now what we're going to do is we're going to adjust this. Obviously you could cut it at 45 degrees and you're going to be quite close, but if you want a better cut so you've got less caulking to do, etc., what we're going to do is we're just going to move that in line so that the line here, because I know this is straight, this line, we've got a laser on it but the laser's not always accurate, so we're going to move that. Now what we're going to do is we can get this piece of timber, piece of wood, and put it in place. Get a pencil. I'm just going to mark where we want to cut. Just a little line, sorry. Don't forget the direction. And if possible, what I would suggest is you cut it so it's slightly longer than it needs to be. Get it in place, make sure the fit's perfect, and then you can just trim a tiny bit off the bottom to put it in place. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, now what you can see is that's in place there. Absolutely bang on straight. There's no gap or anything. I mean, you can't see a gap there at all. So now it just needs putting in place. Now, when you come to fit it, a couple of choices really. Nails, glue. You could possibly screw it, but you leave a bit of a mess. I'm going to nail it. Glue would be the preferred option because obviously we don't have to mess about caulking, etc. But there's a door frame behind here, so I'm just going to nail it in so they're nice and secure, because I'm going to use a pork bar on these. So get that in place. Now that's in place. It's in place. I'll just continue with the nails and then we're done.